Oh, baby, let's identify the piece, ha? Okay, give Papa, ha, yung mga, ano, ha, piece, ha? Okay. Where is the rook? Give Papa the rook. Where's the rook? Rook. Ah, very good. This one is a rook. Very good, correct. Okay, where is the king? Where's the king? King. Give Papa ang king. Very good. This is a king. Okay, another one. Where is the bishop? Bishop. Very good. This is a bishop. Next, where is the pawn? Where's the pawn? Very good again. Pawn. Where is the queen? Queen. Queen. Very good. Where is the bishop again? Bishop. Where is the bishop? Bishop. Black bishop. Where is the black bishop? Black bishop. Very good again. And where is the pawn? Pawn. Yes, pawn. Very good. This is a pawn. Where is the king? King. King. Where is the king? Very good. This is a king. Okay, last one. Where is the horse? Black horse. Where is the black horse? Look at the black horse, Ada. Ada. Last one. Where is the black horse? Horse. Where is the horse? Black horse. Okay, very good. This is a black horse. Okay, bye.